Hello 7th graders. I just want to start off this video by saying I miss every single one of you, and I wish we could be in class seeing each other face to face and working some math problems, but with our circumstance it's not that way. But so this video is going to be kind of an introduction video. Every week I'll send you a short video. This week it's going to be a little longer just because you have to learn all the cool different things that we will be using for the rest of the quarter, okay? So bear with me. This one's going to be a little longer than the others. So we're going to talk about Canvas. Canvas is going to be the biggest thing we're going to use. So when you get on Canvas, you go to my class. Then if you go to the home page, if it doesn't pop up, this is where I want you to be. And on the home page, there's a couple things here. We're not going to use the video icon. We're not going to really use the module thing, but we will use the class schedule mainly. Okay, this is a link to Big Ideas where you can get the virtual book, but we're going to mainly talk about class schedule. So I before was using the calendar to put our schedule, but with how we're going weekly assignments rather than day by day, it kind of made more sense to just do it where it is in the class schedule. So you're going to come to Canvas, you're going to go to the class schedule button, okay? So this is a link of 4th 9-week schedule. So to start off on the page, I have links to our book digitally. So this is a link to chapter 8, which is what we're going to do the first 2 weeks, even though it's basically a review of the last week that we had in school, okay? So that is our chapter 8, and then for the rest of the weeks, we're going to be doing chapter 9, so there's a link to chapter 9. It has some example problems with answers. It's a really good tool to use. So, then next I have Zoom meetings. So we're going to use Zoom, but I'm going to offer meetings with about math, so you can come with questions, you can come needing some help. I don't care. Come see me, say hi if you're bored, okay? Those will be held every Tuesday and Thursday from 1 to 1:30. Starting this Thursday, I will be on from 1 to 1:30 for you guys. The way you're going to get in there is you're going to go click on this right here, which is the URL, and then it will pop up, and then you put the password, which is Falcon Math, no space or anything, okay? One thing that stinks about Zoom is that I have to have a minimum of 2 students in the Zoom in order to do it. Okay, so if there's not 2 students, then I will not be able to hold the video and it will be canceled. I will tell you, I'll probably wait in there for 10 minutes, so from 1 to 1:10. If no one shows up, then I will probably just end the meeting. Hopefully we won't have that, but just so you know, okay? So after we talk about Zoom, we get to the week. So this is a breakdown of the weeks. So this is the first week. The other weeks may change, but for now, this week is in concrete. What we are going to do April 1st to April 3rd is I want you to go and back and watch this video. If you did not take the quiz, you need to take the quiz. So a lot of you, this is a review, 8.1 over circumference. A lot of you already took the video quiz. You are good to go, okay? For those people that have not taken the video quiz, go ahead and take that. Watch the video, take that. For those people that have, then you can already go and start the Big Ideas, but I recommend rewatching the video just for a refresher. You do have notes and notability over 8.1. You have a lot of different resources over 8.1. The notes, the worksheet we did in class. So please use your resources here, okay? But I still will be available for you if you do have questions over 8.1. So then it goes to the next week and you'll have a video, and then the activities will be posted here just like so. All assignments are due on the following Monday at 8:30 a.m. So if whatever I assign on Wednesday, this Wednesday, usually it will be on Monday when I assign it, but this Wednesday it will be due on April 6th, the following Monday, April 6th, and at 8:30 a.m. Okay, below that all, I have some extra videos for help. So maybe my video quiz did not hit you. You did not understand it. So I decided to go on YouTube and try to find some beneficial videos. So over 8.1, here's a video over circumference, and you can watch that for a little bit more idea or help. 8.3, and so on and so forth. I have one for every section there. Okay, so this page is going to have the bulk of the material and information. So link to DigitalBook, the Zoom meeting URL with all of the schedule, and then some extra videos for your help. Alright, so if we're from our schedule, the next thing is to look over here, and the thing I want to point out is called discussions. So if you go to discussions, 8.1 is what we are working on for April 1st through April 3rd. So if you click on 8.1 questions, and then you come here, it says please comment the questions you have on your big ideas assignments, like the ones that you would like me to step through with you. So what you're going to do is, if you go through your big ideas and you have a question on number 5, I'm going to push reply, I'm going to put number 5, and then I'm going to post my reply. Okay, then you as a peer, you can come through and say, ooh, I also have a question on number 5, so I'm going to go ahead and like the number 5. And then at the end of the week, on probably Thursday or Friday, I will go, probably Thursday I'm guessing, I will go through and I will look at what questions popped up here, and I will go ahead and record myself doing those questions. I will not do all of them. I will do like 1 or 2 depending on what the problems are, okay? And then I will post the video on the discussion. So far I've talked about a Zoom meeting, and I've talked about discussions. Those are 2 ways of contacting me. But one way that we have been using all year that you guys are more than welcome to use is email, okay? You can always email your questions. Please have your work shown if you want me to figure out where you went wrong. I can try to lead you there. My office hours, or all teachers' office hours, are 8:30 to 11:30. And then 12:30 to 3 o'clock. If I do not answer, I might be in another Zoom or something may be going on, okay? But for the most part, between those hours, I will be answering back quite quickly, and you should be able to ask me questions. I will try to email back after those hours too. I just don't know what I will be doing. So, other than that, so big ideas, use the discussion board. When you come to my Canvas calendar, my Canvas, go ahead, use the class schedule. That's where you'll find majority of the information you will need for each week. And if you have any questions over what we went over today, please feel free to email me. If you have any questions in the future, email me, right on the discussion board, or see you at Zoom. Alright, thank you. See you guys soon.